So we have another integration question here. Just by the looks of it, we could tell that it's a power rule all the way through. So let's go ahead and solve this. Z to the power 7 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 minus 48z to the power 11 plus 1 divided by 11 plus 1 minus 5z to the power 16 plus 1 divided by 16 plus 1. We could simplify this. Z to the power 8 divided by 8 minus 48z to the power 12 divided by 12 minus 5z to the power 17 divided by 17 plus c. So technically you're done your question here, but we could write it in fraction form just so you can see it better. So that becomes 1 over 8 z to the power 8 minus 48, well, not actually 48, just 4z, because 48 divided by 12 is 4, and then that just makes it 4z to the power 12 minus 5 over 17, because 5 over 17 cannot be simplified, so that just stays the same, z to the power 17 plus c. So that's how you integrate this question. A very typical power rule question. You can see it on your tests, quizzes, or assignments. So yeah, that's how you integrate this question.